The Okinawa World Cultural Kingdom is a large park, including Gyokusen Cave, Ryukyu Ancient Household Settlement, Viper Museum Park, etc. There are also fixed taigu performances that can be enjoyed for free. Those who are interested in cultural experience can also choose another one. Participate in handicraft activities at your own expense, or take photos wearing traditional Ryukyuan clothes. This time I came for Gyokusen Cave. The route of the tour is to go to Gyokusen Cave first as soon as you enter the park. After walking, you come up from the exit of Gyokusen Cave, which is at the bottom of the park. You have to pass through other spaces along the way before you reach the exit of the park, rolling on the floor laughing emoji. Gyokusen Cave super spectacular. Personally, I think it's worth going to see. You can't help but marvel at the miraculous craftsmanship of nature. Smiley face emoji, red triangle emoji. Tips: even if you only go to Gyokusen Cave, you should take a longer time. If you want to appreciate the inspiration, you should calculate your time first. You may not be able to catch up. Red triangle emoji. There will be water droplets falling from above in Gyokusen Cave, and the floor will inevitably be slippery. Be especially careful about slipping. If you want to bring elders or children, you should consider it yourself. We highly recommend this place. The Gyokusen-do Cave is amazing. We saw 2 shrimp and an eel in the water. We also watched the performance. The ladies playing drum and dancing at the same time. Very impressive. We tried the salty milk ice cream. The Habu Park displays a variety of snakes. We took a picture with a big white snake on our neck. This is a trip hard to forget. The park is quite big and easy to visit, and the overall stay was almost 3 hours. You can also take free photos before entering the stalactite cave, and then get them at the exchange office, not the kind of abrupt synthetic background photos, but Japanese newspaper-style photos. Among them, the Habu Museum Park can also further interact with reptiles. You can touch them to snakes, lizards, turtles. If you come here soon after closing the museum, you can also help the staff put away the small animals. Smiley face emoji. The park is also very considerate, and there are mobile phone racks in some places for taking pictures. The exchange is very convenient, no need to queue up to buy tickets. In addition to Gyokusen Cave, I just caught up with the taiko performance when I came out. Although many people were standing and couldn't see it very well, I still recommend it here. Klook is convenient and easy to use to buy tickets. After you exchange your tickets at the on-site counter, you can go in. Recommended itinerary to Okinawa, especially Gyokusen Cave. It is worth a visit with the lighting. Buying tickets here is easy to use, and there are also discounts and feedback. I recommend it to everyone. If you have any questions, the customer service will be there to respond. I will still buy other products here next time I have the opportunity. Thumbs up emoji. The tour route is obvious and there will be no interruption at all. It is recommended to come here when you come to Okinawa. It is recommended to buy tickets on Klook. There are many discounts. Gyokusen Cave is really special, like another world. A very special travel experience. The park is very large, rich and fun. DIY is highly recommended. It is very interesting. It is a recommended itinerary to Okinawa. It is a scenery that cannot be seen in other places, especially the underground caves. The lighting and scenery are beautiful and suitable for a visit. It is very convenient to use Klook to buy tickets. You can go in after exchanging tickets at the scene. It's easy to get in, and the activities inside the venue are diversified and exciting. It's a day you'll never forget. It's easy to enter. Just scan the QR code quickly. The performances are also very nice and a very special Okinawa experience. It is convenient to purchase and use. Directly use the QR code, and you can also change the date on the spot. Gyokusen Cave is very spectacular and beautiful, and the drum performance is also great and worth a visit.